Welcome back to Sevenify, the go-to destination for transforming your health and well-being. Did you know that good posture goes beyond just looking confident? It's a key player in developing strength, flexibility, and balance throughout your body. Maintaining proper posture can reduce stress on your muscles and ligaments, lowering your risk of injury. As we explore the mental health benefits discovered in a 2017 study, upright posture can enhance positive vibes, reduce self-focus, and even combat fatigue, especially for those dealing with mild to moderate depression. We're about to unveil a series of 5 exercises that will fast-track your journey to impeccable posture. In just 7 days, you'll witness incredible transformations. But first, let's address a burning question. How exactly does posture affect your health? Poor posture can wreak havoc on your body, misaligning your musculoskeletal system and causing discomfort in your neck, shoulders, and back. It doesn't stop there. It can decrease your flexibility, affect how well your joints move, affect your balance and increase your risk of falling, make it harder to digest your food, make it harder to breathe. But don't worry, today we have brought 5 exercises which you can do daily to correct your posture. You will see a very remarkable difference in just 7 days, and exercise number 1 will give you instant results, so don't miss it at any cost. Before we dive into these life-changing exercises, smash that like button and hit subscribe because, here at Sevenify, we're on a mission to equip you with the knowledge, tips, and strategies to attain optimal health in just 1 week. Now, let's jump into these exercises and kickstart your 7-day journey to a better, healthier you. Number 5 exercise is Child Pose. Child's pose stretches and lengthens your spine, glutes, and hamstrings. It may also release tension in your lower back and neck. To do this pose, sit on your shins with your knees together, your big toes touching, and your heels splayed out to the side. Fold forward at your hips and walk your hands out in front of you. Sink your hips back down toward your feet. If your thighs won't go all the way down, place a pillow or folded blanket under them for support. Gently place your forehead on the floor or turn your head to one side. Keep your arms extended or rest them along your body. Breathe deeply into the back of your rib cage and waist. Relax in this pose for up to 5 minutes while continuing to breathe deeply. Number 4 exercise is Forward Fold. This standing stretch releases tension in your spine, glutes, and hamstrings. It also stretches your hips and legs. To do this pose, stand with your big toes touching and your heels slightly apart. Bring your hands to your hips and fold forward at your hips. Release your hands toward the floor or place them on a block. Don't worry if your hands don't touch the ground, just go as far as you can. Bend your knees slightly, soften your hips, and allow your spine to lengthen. Tuck your chin into your chest and allow your head to fall heavy to the floor. Remain in this pose for up to 1 minute. Number 3 exercise is Cat-Cow Pose. Cat-Cow Pose helps relieve tension in your torso, shoulders, and neck while promoting blood circulation and spinal mobility. To do this pose, come onto your hands and knees with your weight balanced evenly between all 4 points. Inhale to look up, dropping your abdomen down toward the ground as you extend your spine. Exhale and arch your spine toward the ceiling and tuck your chin into your chest. Continue this movement for at least 1 minute. Number 2 exercise is Chest Opener. Opening and stretching your chest is especially useful if you spend most of your day sitting, which tends to make your chest move inward. To do this stretch, stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Bring your arms behind you and interlace your fingers with your palms pressing together. Grasp a towel if your hands don't reach each other. Keep your head, neck, and spine in one line as you gaze straight ahead. Inhale as you lift your chest toward the ceiling and bring your hands toward the floor. Breathe deeply as you hold this pose for 5 breaths. Release and relax for a few breaths. Repeat at least 10 times. And now let's move to number 1 exercise, which is Glute Bridge. Glute bridges help strengthen and activate your glutes while relieving lower back pain. This improves the functioning and alignment of your hips and pelvis, leading to better posture. To do this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet about hip distance apart. Keep your feet about a foot away from your hips. Rest your arms alongside your body with your palms facing down. Exhale as you lift your hips toward the sky, straightening your spine. Hold this position for up to 1 minute at a time. Alright, let's make these 7 days count. I'll see you on the other side of better posture, and if you found these tips and exercises helpful, don't forget to show some love. Smash that like button if you're ready to take on the challenge of improving your posture, and subscribe to Sevenify for more health insights, tips, and transformative journeys. Your support means the world to us, and together, we're building a community committed to wellness.